All right, YouTube, so back with part 2 of the Avalanche rebuild. Went to the junkyard this morning and got 3 things for the truck. Almost got a hood too, but I was in a car, so I couldn't take it. But let me flip the camera around, show you what you got, and explain why. All right, so got an air box because obviously the other one's cracked. You've seen that. Got a coolant tank because the other one broke right here and leaked. And I got a core support too, because originally I didn't think I needed one, but then later I was going to pull it off because I was trying to straighten it out. And this is cracked. If you look at this one over here, no crack, nothing. If you can see, yeah, it's perfectly fine. This one is cracked, and there's a buckle back here, like right back here. If you see my finger, it's like right here. It's pretty bad. So I'm gonna go through, pull off all this shit, and try to get that core support on first. All right, the whole core support is off now. Everything's loose, so I took that off, but everything is off. And this is what I meant by it buckled. So it's pretty bad. There's no way I was getting that straight. I could have, but not on the car, so here's the new one. Oh, new used one. No problems. This one also, like I said before, completely split right here. So yeah, that was not gonna work. So I'm gonna clean up some of this stuff. I gotta rewire like 3 things because I had a cut. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw this new core support on. All right, so it's on, bolted up, bolted down there, and obviously got everything else bolted on. Obviously this is not gonna bolt up right now because this is way off and it's literally off by like 2 inches. So I'm just gonna put these bolts back on for now, just to hold it. Put the air box, coolant tank, and should be able to start it. All right, so just a little explaining to do. Yesterday, last thing I recorded was, I think the last thing I did. But so I didn't record it all today, and I got a shit ton of stuff done. So basically I got a fender, got the metal part from behind the bumper, and got a hood. And I think I got something else. Oh, I got the plastic piece for behind the grill. And then I ordered some headlights, so they'll be here in about a week. So I'm gonna show you what everything looks like. I got it all on already, except for the hood. I'm waiting for my boy to come over here. He's gonna help me put the hood on. But after that, everything lined it up, so I don't think there's any frame damage or serious frame damage. Might be like a little tweaked, but show you what it looks like. All right, so this is what we're looking like right now. Obviously, wash truck. Everything runs, it's all good. So this fender has some rust. It was the best fender I could find at the junkyard, and it's like a gray. Just had these headlights bolted back in, but these I had to tape right now until the new ones come in because this bracket broke behind here. But the old grill's back in. Gonna find a new one or buy a new one. The metal part of the bumper's on, and looks pretty good. Got a new hood over there. I'll go show you that in a second. But I noticed this bent in the accident, but didn't know that happened. Not caused an accident, but I did put a new belt on it because I seen a little piece missing out of it. Washed the engine bay up, and looks so much better. But yeah, I'll find a grill. Maybe next video or the video after, I'll paint the hood over there. So let me go show you that right now. Obviously the hood's white, so I need to paint it black, and this is the only bad piece I seen right there, right here. But this also was the best hood I could find in the junkyard. So the best I could do, bottom or the back, it's not too bad. Just like every other hood you'll find from an 03 Avalanche. This was off some custom Avalanche, had red interior, looked real good. So I'm gonna wait for him to come over. He's gonna help me put the hood on. And basically that would probably be the end of the video after that, till I end up painting the hood, the fender. If I can get a grill, paint the grill, and try to find a bumper, the plastic part of the bumper or something. And maybe the headlights will go in the next video if they're here by then. But that should be everything. I just had repainted the bolts on the license plate bracket because they got a little rusty. And let me show you what my license plate looked like. After the accident, pull the license plate off, and it is bent. It is pretty bad. Ignore my hair, it's crazy. I haven't got a haircut in months. But just imagine, that was how much the metal part of the bumper was pushing. I'll walk over there right now and actually show you. So I got the old hood right here. Old bent up hood, all in the bumper, back there. The old fender, the old core support is down here, and the old metal part of the bumper. But everything now should be good. I drove the truck to, if you're from my area, Blue Island and back. It's like 30 minutes, not even, like 20 minutes. And it was perfectly fine. Another good thing was my subs were not messed up at all. The subs were good. Just had to rewire the one they pulled out just from pushing forward. But I'm gonna get back at you after we get the hood on. All right, yet again, it's another day. It's actually about 5 days later. I just got off of work. I haven't had time to record. I worked later. It's got dark. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And be honest, the body lines aren't the best right now. I adjusted the hood a little bit, but not nearly what I need to yet. But let me show you what it looks like right now. So it's looking pretty good. Don't go off the headlights because, look, these can go up. They're just tape until the new ones come in beginning of next week, hopefully, but looks pretty good. Let me go on a wide angle right here. See, looks pretty good. This body line is a little pushed up, but this fender needs a little adjusting. See, these are okay, but the hood also can go over. Somehow like turn this way, but up, I don't know. I think I need to adjust that fender, the right fender, but this is okay. And this just needs to go forward a little bit. So hood is gonna come back off tomorrow probably when I paint it, but that's what we're looking like right now. All right, that's a wrap on part 2 of the Avalanche rebuild. Next video, gonna get the hood painted, the fender painted, readjust the hood. Hopefully the video after that, grill, headlights, and the bumper will all get complete also. Just wrap this up quick. Obviously the damages weren't that bad on the truck originally. It was pretty messed up, but it will be as good as I can get it, to be honest. But hopefully I catch you in the next video, and peace.